What's stopping you from getting ahead financially? The answer might surprise you. It's not how much you earn, but how you manage your money. Today, we're breaking down the top 6 poor money habits that are keeping many Americans broke and how you can flip the script. Habit number 1. Overspending with buy now, pay later apps. First up, let's talk about buy now, pay later apps. They promise instant gratification, but they often lead to overspending and hidden debt. These apps make it easy to buy things you can't afford by splitting payments, but if you miss a payment, the fees can pile up fast. With more than 60% of Americans using these apps in 2024, it's a growing problem. Don't let slick marketing convince you to spend more than you earn. How to fix it? Stick to a budget and avoid financing non-essential purchases. If you don't have the cash now, wait until you do. It's worth it in the long run. Habit number 3. Ignoring inflation when saving. Are you saving but still feeling like you're falling behind? Blame inflation. If your savings aren't growing faster than inflation, you're losing purchasing power every year. With inflation rates hitting highs in recent years, ignoring it is a mistake. Keeping money in a traditional savings account earning less than 1% interest isn't enough anymore. How to fix it? Shift some of your savings into high-yield savings accounts, CDs, or investments like index funds to keep pace with inflation. Habit number 4. Emotional spending. We've all been there. Bad day at work, and suddenly an online shopping spree feels like therapy. Emotional spending might make you feel better short-term, but it's a long-term financial disaster. In the age of retail therapy and one-click shopping, this habit is more common than ever. Americans spent billions on non-essentials during the pandemic alone. How to fix it? Pause before buying. Use the 4-hour rule. Wait a day before making a purchase. You'll not investing early. Think investing is only for the wealthy? Think again. Waiting too long to invest is one of the biggest financial mistakes you can make. The earlier you start, the more time compound interest has to work its magic. With apps like Robinhood and Acorns, investing has never been easier. Yet many Americans still hesitate. Don't let fear or lack of knowledge stop you. How to fix it? Start small. Invest $10, $50, or whatever you can afford into index funds or ETFs. It's not about timing the market. It's about time in the market. Habit number 6. Neglecting retirement accounts. Lastly, not prioritizing retirement accounts like 1Ks or IRAs is a major money habit to avoid. If your employer offers a match and you're not contributing, you're leaving free money on the table. A study found that nearly 40% of Americans don't know how much they need to retire comfortably. Don't let that be you. How to fix it? Contribute enough to get your employer's full match, then increase contributions gradually. Even small increases make a big difference over time. Breaking these habits might seem challenging, but small changes can lead to big results. Remember, every dollar you save or invest today is a step closer to financial freedom. Which of these habits are you ready to tackle first? Let me know in the comments below. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more personal finance tips, and share it with someone who could use a financial reset.